In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add file shortcuts in OneDrive. If you regularly work with shared folders, adding a shortcut in OneDrive is a simple way to keep important files easy to reach without having to search for them every time. This is especially useful when a folder has been shared with you and you want quick access to it right from your main file area. To get started, open a web browser and sign in to your OneDrive account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand navigation pane. Here, you'll need to decide where the folder currently lives. If it's already in your own OneDrive area, open My Files. If the folder was shared with you by someone else, open Shared instead. Choosing the correct section is important because that's where you'll locate the folder you want to create a shortcut for. Next, find and select the shared folder you want to access more quickly. Make sure you're selecting the folder itself, since this shortcut feature is typically used to bring a shared folder into your main file view for easier navigation. After selecting the folder, go to the toolbar at the top of the page and click Add Shortcut to My Files. This tells OneDrive to place a shortcut to that shared folder inside your My Files area so you can get to it more conveniently in the future. Once you click the option, give OneDrive a moment to process the change. You should see a confirmation message appear near the bottom of the screen, letting you know the shortcut has been added successfully. That confirmation is helpful because it lets you know the action went through. If you'd like to double check, go back to your files and look for the shortcut there. This is a good habit, especially if you're organizing multiple shared folders and want to confirm everything has been added where you expect it to be. The shortcut should now appear in your file list, making that shared folder much easier to find the next time you need it. And that's all there is to it. By adding a shortcut to My Files in OneDrive, you can save time and keep frequently used shared folders within easy reach. It's a quick feature, but it can make a big difference in staying organized and working more efficiently.